Hey everyone, Lisa here. I've got an unboxing to show you today from a new company to me called Sticker Kitten, and I placed an order a couple of days ago and it's got here already, so I thought I'd show you what I got. I've mangled the envelope already, sorry, but let's have a look inside and see what I ordered. Ooh, lovely. Do love some stickers. Okay. So I got some ephemera and some stickers, so let's have a look at what we've got. First of all, I ordered this die cut ephemera, 48 pieces, birthday dinos. Oh, they're so cute. So that's what I've got. Let's just have a feel of them, see what they're like in terms of quality. They're quite nice. They're yeah, they're card. Lots of them. Okay, I'm quite happy with those. Right, very pale colours, which I quite like, not too bright. So they'll work with bright, but they'll work with pastels as well. So yeah, happy with those. I'll just stick that together. And then, oh, I do like a nice envelope that I can reuse. So let's have a look what we've got in here. This one I think is my, yeah, rainbows and things. So let's have a look what we have here. Oh, these are nice. Okay, so the quality of these is a bit different to these. These, as you can see, have got lines around them and a little bit of white, whereas these feel to be better quality. They've got a slight sheen to them. I don't know if you can see that there. Yeah, and so I've got umbrellas, sunshines, raindrops, clouds. Oh, they're so cute. I love the rainbows. Yeah, really happy with those. And some nice little sayings, I think. Blue skies ahead, a card to brighten your day, sending smiles across the miles. When it rains, look for rainbows. Oh, loving this. Really liking those. Really happy with that little pile. Move that over. And my third set of ephemera was one that's Halloween themed. Oh, they're so cute again. So, spooky house again. These are really nice quality. They've got a bit of a sheen to them, and you can feel they're quite thick. A bat, some ghosts, pumpkins, happy Halloween. Boo. Not that I'm looking forward to Halloween or autumn. I'm looking forward to Halloween, I suppose, but not autumn. But it's on its way, folks. So, oh, look at him. So cute. And the reason I bought it was for the black cat. I've got a black cat. His name is Min. Right, and with that in mind, can you see what I bought next? So these are my stickers. Let's have a look what there is in here. I like a nice glassy envelope because that's reusable. It's also a bit more eco-friendly than a plastic one. I've got, oh, a little freebie. Thank you for your order. That's nice. They're a nice size for planners. And I thought these were a nice size for planners as well. Can you see those? Halloween stickers. So how many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8. Quick, do the maths. 56, yes. So little Min kittens. That's what my little black cat's called. And then I also ordered more rainbows. So these are happy rainbow stickers. Hopefully you can see that they've got little faces on them. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 54, yeah. And cloud stickers. Oh, these are a bit smaller than I was expecting, although I don't know why. I was expecting that size sheet, but I love them. They're going to be great for planners. So they're cloud stickers, and hopefully you can see on those. Is it focusing? They've got little sunshines, raindrops, happy faces. Yeah, I'm happy with those. So that's my little haul from Sticker Kitten. 3 lots of ephemera and 3 lots of stickers. Hopefully I'm going to be back with a couple more unboxing videos soon, so I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.